Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD Guru, the civil engineers and the architects. So welcome back to the Revit module series of 2023. So this is my channel named as AutoCAD Guru. You will find multiple videos in my channel with the playlist. So you can go and check all the videos. You will also find the AutoCAD videos such as dimensions in AutoCAD, which is being hitting more than 10K plus views in our channel. So I hope that you subscribe our channel, like the channel, and press the bell icon, which will help us to grow along with you so that we can create new content for the smart guys like you. So let's get started. Here we are with the module number 10 modify tool, which is named as align, mirror and trim command. So these are the three commands which we will be focusing on today's module, which is module number 10. We have also covered three commands of the modify tool in our last module number 9, which were copy, move and rotate. So if you have not seen this video, please go to the previous video as well. So now let's focus on the new tool or the new modify command with respect to the three new: align, then the mirror one and the trim. So if you go into the level, I will tell you like how the align command works. For example, if you place any detail line over here like this, let's also place it like this, like this, like this. So these are the lines, detail lines, which are the 2D lines where I want to align these of the walls respect to these lines. So what you have to do is AL, which is the shortcut of the align command, or else you can select from the here, then first click and the second click. As you can see that, I will just detach the targets because there were the walls. As you can see that this is the line. This is the line where this wall is being aligned. Similarly, if I select AL, multiple alignment, this will get aligned. This for not detach. Again, if I select this or this, it will automatically go here and overwrite on this. Why? The reason is I have selected multiple. It means that this is the reference where multiple walls will get aligned or multiple objects will get aligned. Now let's select this and then align. Detach target. As you can see, this was the line where the wall have automatically aligned. Now let's unclick, align this, detach, align. It's very difficult to align this now. Yeah, because it will either align this or either align this. Or else you can again create a new wall over here like this. And then this was regarding the align command. You can align any object by AL, take a reference, first reference, and then align it. It's like that. Very easy. And now let's go into the mirror command. There are two mirror commands, which is MM and which is DM. MM means it will take the mirror axis. It will go according to the axis line. For example, if I select this, select the object like this, let's select this wall, and this is the axis. So it will mirror according to this. Let's try this. First click, MM, second click. As you can see, this is the middle reference. So the distance between this to this point and the distance between this to this point it should be always same. If I delete this, distance between this to this and distance between this to this is always same because it have been mirrored through this axis point. Similarly, again, if I select this object, again MM, and I select this point, as you can see that it have it has mirror properly through this axis. Now the second thing is, create similar just to show you guys. This is the second DM. Select this and this DM. Now this is what you can, mirror from anywhere with respect to the points. Now I have to draw it like this. So as you can see, it has mirrored through this drawn axis. Again, select this DM. Now from here, I will draw it perpendicular like this. You can see there is a gap in between. So this is how these both mirror command, which is mirror pick axis, and which is draw axis, works like. Now the second thing is trim command. Trim command means TR, first point, second point. Delete instance. See here, it has been trimmed. Similarly, first point, second point, like this. First point, second point. First point, second point, and unjoin, delete, first point. See, now the difference is, if you select first point, second point, here internally, then this will get deleted, like this. As you can see, undo, again now, TR, first point, second point, then this will get deleted. So eventually you have to practice that. How will be the first point and second point? So the dotted line means the line which will stay, and the rest will get deleted. As you can see here. This is getting done. So this is all about the commands align, the mirror, and the trim extend tool. So that's all for today, and let's focus on the next module, which will be on the array, scale, and pin options. How this works. Again, these will be it from the modified tool. So let's wait till then. You can practice all the 10 modules which we have covered before. So thank you.